chose BG because it checked all the boxes on my list.
I chose BG because it's really close to home and it also feels like home.
I chose BGSU because it's kind of like a home away from home. I love the campus and the small town college life.
I think higher education is important because it can give you so many opportunities, not only your career path, but meeting new people.
I feel that higher education is important to get ahead and learn the most about yourself.
Our family all appreciates higher education. It certainly gave us a lot of opportunities in our life. Look forward to the opportunities that it'll give our children as well.
We came from a very small town in Grand Rapids, and we want him to see and experience life on his own in a, college setting.
Very bittersweet is what I'm feeling right now. I'm very proud, but also sad because I feel like it's never going to be the same.
The fact that I feel like the school and the people here are going to encompass her is the biggest weight off my chest. It's my baby girl's new life. It's a great life. It's going to be a great life.